This class has been amazing. They just did a live demo with my business and I was blown away.
Wow, how you can do this. So I am really appreciate the time they are taking to show us.
And Mike and Pete have been absolutely phenomenal with the learning in the class today. We thought we knew everything about AI. There's way much more to learn. So great session, guys.
This session was so informative for me because I've used AI in the past, but this went really in depth. And one of the takeaways was how to ask AI to assist in getting more business for the corporation.
I already use AI on a day-to-day basis. However, at this event today, I've been able to get information on top of the information I already have. They shared with me some tactics that I can use, some things that I was already using. They showed me how to use it on a higher level. They were given a strategy today. Everyone in the room was a business owner. We were able to network as well. And I just thought it was a great opportunity to just get more information and take my business through the roof. So I want to say thank you.